We're thrilled to have you here as we dive into the world of Beyond Paint. Get ready to see just how easy it is to transform kitchen cabinets, countertops, furniture, and more with our all-in-one formula. Beyond Paint is a water-based all-in-one refinishing paint designed for both DIYers and professionals who want a fast, durable way to update surfaces without the hassle of stripping, sanding, or priming, for less money, time, and effort to that of traditional methods. Unlike regular paint, Beyond Paint is low VOC and low odor, with an advanced engineered coating infused with cutting-edge nanotechnology. This means superior adhesion, exceptional coverage, and long-lasting durability, all in just 2 coats. With Beyond Paint, adhesion is never a concern. Our advanced formula bonds effortlessly to virtually any surface: metal, formica, wood, previously painted surfaces, laminate, plastic, linoleum, masonry, tile, and even glass without chipping, cracking, or fading. Just a beautiful, long-lasting finish. Whether you're new to DIY or an experienced pro, Beyond Paint simplifies refinishing with a no-fuss application. No stripping, no sanding, or priming needed. Now you get a professional finish while saving time, money, and supplies compared to traditional methods. With Beyond Paint, preparing for your project has never been easier. Simply clean and degrease the surface with an all-purpose degreaser or Beyond Paint cleaner and avoid soaps and TSP. Be sure to follow the cleaner's directions for proper use. That's why Beyond Paint is the ultimate solution for DIYers, homeowners, and professionals alike. Formulated to deliver exceptional results with ease and efficiency. Beyond Paint gives you the freedom to transform any project, big or small, with options in gallons, quarts, and pints, covering anywhere from 25 to 200 square feet. Choose from 16 designer pre-mixed colors, 3 dazzling metallics, and 3 varieties of countertop makeover flex for a stunning quartz-like finish. Our all-in-one water-based formula dries to a smooth, durable matte finish that not only enhances the appearance of your project, but also ensures lasting protection. Beyond Paint's high-quality finish is perfect for achieving professional results with minimal effort, making your DIY projects easier than ever before. Use our multi-purpose sealer for projects that require extreme durability, like a countertop, workstations, stair treads, and high-traffic areas. It delivers an industrial-grade finish with a beautiful high satin sheen, ensuring long-lasting results you can trust. Beyond Paint has been voted the #1 cabinet paint 3 years in a row and chosen as the solution for transforming any project with professional results. Perfect for DIYers, professional contractors, and maintenance experts. Visit beyondpaint.com to learn more and explore our complete range of products.